Time is the most precious material in our life that you will not get back after passing it once. So give value to your time and don't waste your time. Do some productive work in your free time besides your daily life activities. Suppose you are a student, you should pass your free time for gaining some skill like spoken English, computer skill, internet skill, and that will help you to be successful in your life easily. That will add some value to your life. Okay, so pass your time, your free time, for gaining some skill. I am passing my free time for gaining fluency in English because at the time English is very important if you want to go abroad, if you want to get good job in Bangladesh. So for this reason I am trying to be fluent in English and to gain fluency. But I have a problem, that is I cannot pronounce the word correctly. So I am trying to pronounce the word correctly, and for this reason I have slowed down my delivering of speech. I am delivering the word slowly and it is helping me to pronounce the word correctly. So if you have problem with your pronunciation, you can follow these tips. You can slow down your delivering of speech and it will help you to pronounce the word correctly. So follow these tips. I hope you will be fluent in English as well as pronounce the words correctly.